But that weed look like it's good. What train you getting on? That weed look like it's good weed. That's some damn good weed you got here, my bro.
2 hits, good night.
2 hits you find. That shit keep you hitting like a motherfucker. What train you getting on? This one or that one? I'm gonna wait till the next one come because I like you.
Okay.
This is mine, but I'll wait for the next one.
What's your name?
My name is Olivet.
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 Yeah, I'm a special name, you know, special
You
lady.
have a special name for
And I got a special heart too. I love people. I love you, man. God bless you today, man.
my family.
Because, you know, God made this world for us to be free. Like when you talk to me, you didn't know me. Mine a walking stick. Somebody gonna fall over that. And they're gonna try to call the cops and I don't want to go back to the damn prison.
Yeah.
Not today when they're smoking your weed. I want to have a damn good high. I don't want nothing to disturb your high ends no way. Go on, train, so we can talk. So I'm there on 34th Street and I meet a nice guy.
I'll show you something.
I meet a nice guy right here, man.
I'll show you something. Well, a lot of people think they look at me exclusive. And only
Oh, goddamn, you sexy like hell.
only a few people know really what I'm about.
Damn, you look good, man. You look like a mother. Man, you look good for your age. Damn, you look good. That's how you do it to them?
Fucking right.
You get your muscle and put them up when they mess with you, right? Because you ain't do nothing wrong.
Nothing wrong. I ordered a coffee. He kept my money.
Man, you muscular. Where's your girlfriend?
No,
Where's the
I-
tattoo mean? That tattoo that you got right
Which
there.
one?